In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not working with VPN. First, start by turning off the VPN. To do this, locate your VPN app on your device. Open the app and look for the option to disconnect or turn off the VPN. Once you've done that, try using Safari again. You should see the familiar Safari icon, and as you open it, you may notice a difference. If Safari works without the VPN, this indicates that the VPN might be causing the issue. This step is essential because it helps you identify if the VPN is the root cause of the problem. If Safari is functioning properly, the next step is to open your VPN app once more. Look for the option to connect to a different server or location. Many VPN apps offer multiple servers across various regions. By selecting a different server, you may be able to find one that works seamlessly with Safari. This is important because sometimes specific servers are blocked by websites causing connectivity issues. After selecting a new server, reconnect to the VPN and launch Safari again to see if the issue is resolved. Next up, if you are still facing issues, it's time to restart your iPhone or iPad. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the option to slide to power off. This step refreshes your device's system and can often resolve minor glitches. A simple restart can clear temporary files that may be causing the problem. Once your device is back on, open Safari again to check if the VPN is still affecting your browsing experience. If you're still having trouble, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes the issue could be related to the specific network you are using. Disconnect from your current network and switch to a different Wi-Fi network, or toggle your cellular data on and off. By doing this, you can rule out any network-related issues that may be interfering with Safari and your VPN connection. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it helps identify if the network itself is the problem. After ensuring the network is functioning properly, it's time to clear Safari's history and website data. Go to Settings, select Apps, then find Safari in the list. Tap on it and look for the option to clear history and website data. This action helps remove any cached data that could be causing conflicts with the VPN. It's a straightforward process that can help refresh your browsing experience. Once you complete this, return to Safari and test it again. Next, check if your device is running the latest version of iOS or iPadOS as well as the VPN app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Go to Settings, select General, and then tap on Software Update to see if there are any updates available for your device. For the VPN app, open the App Store and check for updates. Installing the latest versions can fix bugs and improve performance. This step is crucial because keeping your software updated ensures you have the latest fixes and features. If the problem continues even after these steps, it's time to check for VPN profiles or network filters in Settings. Go to Settings and look for VPN or profiles. If there are any profiles installed, make sure they are configured correctly. Sometimes misconfigured settings can lead to connectivity issues. By ensuring everything is in order here, you may resolve ongoing problems that affect Safari. Lastly, remember that some websites may block content or connections when a VPN is active. This is a common issue and can sometimes create confusion regarding whether the VPN or Safari is at fault. By understanding this, you can better navigate any connectivity challenges you encounter while using a VPN with Safari.